HubSpot's very own AI meeting note taker is here, and it's available for all sales professional and sales enterprise users. At the time of this recording, it's currently in private beta, but I'm going to show you how to set it up in today's HubSpot hack. All right, folks, first of all, as I mentioned at the time of this recording, this is still in private beta. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to opt into this. And again, you are going to need either sales professional or sales enterprise to have access to this. And by the way, guys, this does work for all meeting tools that you might be using. It works for Zoom, works for Google, and works for Teams as well. So first thing you want to do, obviously, is log into your HubSpot account and then go up to your company name on the top right, and then go down to product updates. So there's actually two betas that you need to opt into in order to enable this in your portal. So once you get to this product updates, just go to all product updates here and then search for prepare, review, and follow up on meetings with the AI meeting assistant, and then opt into it over here on the right-hand side. I'm already in it, so it gives me the option to leave. So if you don't see that, then you need to click to opt in. The other one you're gonna wanna do is just search for Notetaker. So once you're in that beta, then you can opt into the HubSpot meeting note taker here, which will actually turn it on for everyone in your account after we do the following that I'm about to show you, a couple things we need to do. Great, we're in the beta. So now what we wanna do is go into our HubSpot settings, and we wanna go to tools, which will be under here, calling, and then call setup, and then change the tab here to call configurations. Once you get here, you want to make sure that you have under recording and transcription, call recording on, transcription and analysis on, and make sure you turn on the HubSpot meeting note taker to on. Now, just a disclaimer, this will turn the note taker on for everyone that has a sales seat automatically. And if they do not want it, then they will have to manually opt out themselves. Now, in order for them to opt out, they are going to have to log in themselves. Unless you have an enterprise hub and you're a super admin, then you can do it for them. Otherwise, they have to go to settings, your preferences, and then general. Switch to the calendar tab, and then scroll down to where the HubSpot meeting note taker is, and make sure that they check that off. That'll opt them out. So a little bit more that you might want to know about this meeting note taker. The meeting note taker will automatically join for you on all calls scheduled within HubSpot, so either through the meeting link or scheduled like from a contact record, and only for meetings that are scheduled after you've opted into this beta. So anything that you've already had scheduled, this note taker won't appear. So better do this sooner rather than later if you want this to join all your meetings. Once it does join your meetings, it will look something like this. So this is directly from the product updates page. You can see you have you in the meeting, Melissa on the product team, and then Melissa's note taker is there, which is taking notes inside of HubSpot. So I did test this on a call with myself. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. You hold a meeting, the note taker joins, it will actually log it on the meeting inside the contact record, company record, wherever that is. And then you'll have a link here where you'll see it says beta to go and view the meeting. This is actually run through the sales workspace, it looks like here, and you can see the title of the meeting here, when it was held. You can update the outcome from here, select meeting types, see it was associated to a deal where I was just doing some testing, and edit all associations. So I'm gonna run you through what this page looks like and how it works real quick. On the right-hand side, we have, you can actually watch the recording back. Twice, and here twice. So there I was in the meeting twice. And you can scroll through the meeting, you can fast forward, watch it at faster speed, and then you can look at the transcription down here over on the right-hand side. Over here on the left is some really cool stuff that I think you're gonna love. We have AI incorporated into this where we can look at next steps. So this will tell you after the meeting, they're gonna analyze the call and tell you if there's any recommended next steps. So if you said you were gonna send them something after the call, you had to look up something on your own end, send out another meeting invite, this might pick that up for you and recommend actions that you take afterwards. It'll also take meeting notes, so it'll give you a nice summary for you so you don't have to look through that entire transcription. If you want to know about things on a higher level, the summary here will take care of that for you. And you can see this was just me playing around. I practiced the speech from the movie Miracle, which is actually the poster and American flag that I have behind me. I did some vocal exercises, and you can see it picked all of that up here over on the left-hand side. And when I clicked the link to get to this page, it took me to recording and transcript. If I switch to info and insights here, this is actually going to give me some more information about this meeting. So recent activity that people on that call had taken. It'll show me the website visits that they had done. And then also I can take my, if I was taking my own internal notes on this call that I wanted to add, I can add them here. I can save them. I can tag people. If I want to make them alert of anything, all of that can be done here in what's kind of basically like its own meeting object. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video on HubSpot's new meeting note taker. I hope you liked it. I hope that you opt into the beta. Hopefully it'll be out of beta soon, but I really have enjoyed using this on my calls, and I hope that you do too. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and happy HubSpotting.